Go on guys, it's your girl Nishoy and I'm back with another video. We're doing a try on halt, work try on halt. So I'll be showing you how to dress versus going to an interview, when going to your work, or just going somewhere that you have to wear formal dress up. Yeah, formal dress up. And yeah, so I have a few outfits just to let you know. I am doing one part that is dedicated to the persons who don't have much money to buy different bottoms. So I'm just gonna use a plain black skirt, and then I'm gonna switch the tops so you can wear plain blacks the first day of work, or for a week you can wear that plain black skirt versus other blouses. Alright, so let's jump into this clothing haul. So the first outfit that I have for you is this one. It is the sheer. So I have this sheer blouse that I'll be wearing a spaghetti strap underneath it, and you can wear it with a skirt, a pants, a yellow, a black, a green undershirt. So you just put this over it. And just so you know guys, this ain't no name brand clothing haul. Alright, so this is a sheer blouse that I'll be wearing over this, and you can have a look. Gonna move on to the next outfit, which is supposed to be work. You can drop a pumps on, you can wear this to an interview, you can wear this to a formal function where you have to give a speech slash yeah. You can also wear this on the outside, and you can wear it on the inside. You can tuck the blouse inside, pop your heels on, and you're ready, sis. So we're gonna move on to the third outfit, which will be the, and just so you know guys, I love this throwover, and this ain't no name brand. So I have this black and gray slash white jacket, or what should I call this? What do they call this again? I don't remember what they call this. I don't remember. But this is a jacket like throw over your top. You just throw it over and you're good to go. Take a look guys, take a look guys. Take a the last outfit, which will be another black sheer blouse. I don't have that blouse nearby at the moment, so it's a sheer blouse. You can wear it with a underblouse if you choose to, excuse me, and you can just wear it as it is, as long as it's not showing too much underneath or too much skin. You can wear this inside, you can wear this outside. Yeah, you choose how to rock your blouses. So you can go ahead and search your clothes, find any top, any bottom, or a black skirt. So this part is dedicated to the persons who don't have access to different bottoms or you just don't, or you have some skirts that are not so hot, but you have this one black skirt that is hot and you want to try it on. So go ahead and drop that skirt on, try on a lot of other blouses with it also. All right, now we're moving on to different bottoms. So I have some, what are these called? Palazzo pants, yes. And I love these pants. These palazzo pants are the bomb. So we have, so as you can see, I'm gonna show you the first outfit. So I have a mesh blouse with a black palazzo pants, yes. And you can even rock this with the heels, a pumps, a whatever, a slipper, a shoe. And yeah, take a look. Ooh, sister. Eh, eh. What do you? Yes, and then we're gonna move on to the second palazzo pants outfit that I have on. This white top, long sleeve, turtleneck, blue palazzo pants. You can also rock this with your pumps. You can wear flat heels. You can wear a shoe, and yeah, you can even change your earring, add a little makeup, a little lashes, and you're good to go. So you can also wear it with the neck part down. You can just pull it down, wear it that way, and you're good to go. Shoulder and palazzo pants, my red palazzo pants, I love. And yeah, and that's it, guys. So if you like this type of video, go ahead and like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And of course, drop a comment in the comment section. Tell me if you like these type of videos. I'll do another one. I can even do a swimsuit try on haul. I'm out, guys. Bye.